Today we will be creating a messy textured look utilizing Rolda's styling products. First, we want to grab our Rolda's sculpting spray and begin to apply it into the hair. Next, we will begin by taking our vented brush and our blow dryer and begin styling our hair to our desired look. Then we will take a dime size amount of our Rolda's Matte Paste, applying it onto our palms and rubbing it into our palms evenly, stretching all of the product out. We will now begin to apply it onto the hair lightly. We're not trying to oversaturate the hair with product. We are simply trying to create our desired look by positioning our hair using our fingertips and the product that we have applied. We can move the hair around as desired. We will then proceed by taking our Rolda styling comb combing it through and adjusting every hair strand as needed. Finally, we will take our Rolda hairspray and begin to lightly spray the hair, positioning any strand that is out of place and locking in our desired look. And there you have it, a messy textured modern look created by utilizing Rolda's styling products.